Welcome everyone to my channel. My name is Maria and I'm a nutritionist, and today I will share with you 3 savory oatmeal recipes that are a high source of fiber, protein and healthy fats. So let's get started. In today's recipes, I will be using 2 types of oats. Number 1 is organic old-fashioned rolled oats. These are oat grouts that have gone through a steaming and flattening process. Always make sure that you buy organic and with the label says glyphosate free. I will link this brand in the description below because glyphosate is a commonly used herbicide and is present in small quantity even in the organic oats. So you make sure that you buy the brand says glyphosate free. Please check the description for the brand name. The other oats I am using today is organic steel cut oats. These are grouts of whole oats which have been chopped into 2 to 3 pinhead sized pieces. Steel cut oats retain their structure even after cooking and take longer time to digest. That is why help to keep you full for longer period of time and good for stable blood sugar. To cook the basic oat recipe, the oat to liquid ratio is 1 to 3. It means for 1 cup of oats, you need 3 cups of any liquid. Let's make our first recipe, which is avocado egg oatmeal. To make a single serving savory oatmeal base, we need 1/4 cup of shallots, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste and 2 green chilies, which is optional. I choose shallots because they are rich source of organosulfur, which is good for liver and heart health. Have been shown to reduce the LDL cholesterol. Let's make single serving savory oatmeal base. For this, add shallots along with 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil in a heavy bottom pan. I have all these recipes with the quantity in the description below. Please make sure that you check it out. Saute onion on a medium flame along with the garlic and green chili until golden brown. Now add 1/4 cup of rolled oats and toast. It helps to bring out the nutty flavor of the oats and also reduce the phytic acid, which is a nutrient inhibitors. Now add 3/4 cup of vegetable stock. You can either use water or vegetable stock. I use vegetable stock for more flavor. Add all the spices, which are 1/2 teaspoon coriander cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric. At this stage, you can also adjust the salt and spices according to your taste buds. Cook the oats until it thickens and doubled in size. Once the oat double in size, then you turn off the heat. This is a savory oatmeal base ready. You can add different toppings of your choice. However, we are making avocado oats. That's why I top it with the avocado and a fried egg for more protein and healthy fats and fiber. I hope you like this recipe. Please try and let me know in the comments how you like it. Always make sure that in each meal you have healthy fiber, protein and healthy fats to keep you full for longer period of time. Enjoy your avocado egg oats. Next recipe is a creamy zucchini oatmeal recipe. So let's get started with it. For this, add 1/4 cup of rolled oats in a pan and dry toast it to reduce the phytic acid, because phytic acid inhibits the absorption of many nutrients like zinc, magnesium, iron and vitamin B's. However, soaking and cooking reduces the phytic acid. Add 3/4 cup of water. You can also swap the water with the vegetable stock. However, I am using water here. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, as well as 1/4 teaspoon of cumin and coriander powder. Add 3/4 cup of diced zucchini. Zucchini is a low carb, high fiber vegetable which is a good source of fiber, so to keep you full for longer period of time. Now cover the oats with the zucchini and cook for 5 more minutes. After 5 minutes, check if the oats are double in size and also thickens enough. Then turn the heat off and dish out the oats. At this stage, you can also check the salt according to your taste. To make high protein cream, add 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt along with 1 tablespoon of sour cream. Also spice it with 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and mix well. You can add any spice of your choice. Now top this high protein cream on the zucchini oatmeal and enjoy. I hope you like this recipe. It's an ideal high protein lunch or breakfast recipe for those who are looking to stabilize their blood sugar as well as to lose weight. Let's make our third recipe, which is mixed veggies steel cut oatmeal recipe. For this, chop 2 shallots. Again, I'm using shallots because of its health benefits. It is rich source of organosulfur that may help in prevention of dangerous blood clots, improve blood circulation, and also lower the LDL cholesterol. For this recipe, I am using steel cut oats, so add half a cup of steel cut oats and soak it in the water for at least 2 to 3 hours, ideally overnight, to remove the phytic acid. By now you know that phytic acid is a nutrient inhibitor and it's water soluble, so soaking helps to reduce the phytic acid. To make the base of the oatmeal, take a heavy bottom pan, add shallots along with 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil as well as 1/4 teaspoon of garlic paste and saute. Use a heavy bottom pan because steel cut oats tend to stick to the bottom of the pan. That is why it's ideal to use the heavy bottom pan. Now drain the water from the steel cut oats and add these oats in the pan along with garlic and shallots and fry for 2 to 3 minutes to bring out the nutty flavor of the oats. After 2 to 3 minutes, add 1.5 cup of water, and to flavor the oats, add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, along with 1/4 teaspoon of coriander or cumin powder. You can also add any herbal spices. I am using 1/4 teaspoon of oregano. You can use any herbal spice of your choice. Also, you can swap water with a vegetable stock. Now cover the oats and cook for 15 minutes at low heat. For mixed vegetables, you can use any veggies of your choice. Add 1.5 cup of mixed veggies in the oat base and mix well. Also adjust the salt at this stage and cover the veggies to cook for 5 more minutes until softens enough. After 5 minutes, check the oats and veggies. If the veggies are softened enough and oats are double in size, then dish out the oats. To add extra protein, I am using half-boiled egg. You can add any protein of your choice. I hope you like this recipe. Please make sure that you like and share. Also subscribe to my channel for more healthy recipes and tips. All these 3 oatmeal recipes are a great option if you are on a weight loss journey, and it's ideal for both lunch and breakfast. You can make these ahead of time and use when you are going for work. I hope you like all these recipes. Thank you for watching.